Now let's talk about integers in our real world. You may see thermometers, you may see bank account statements, people on the football field, people who play golf, our clock. All of these deal with integers that we use on a day-to-day basis. Integers can represent everyday situations. You might hear, and the quarterback is sacked for a loss of 7 yards. This can be represented as integer -7. Or the total snowfall this year has been 9 inches more than normal. This can be represented as an integer +9 or just regular 9. These again are integers that we use in our everyday life. Next, you will try to figure out whether the sample of real world integers are positive or negative.